For some people, starting a campfire while camping is an impossible task, but there is an easier way to do things. What's going on? It's Samantha from Lone Crow Adventures, the channel where we talk about all things camping, hiking, and backpacking. If you're one of those people who struggle to make a campfire, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tools that I utilize on a regular basis to help me process wood, manage my campfires, and build fantastic campfires. Let's go. The ultimate gift for any campfire technician is a claw log grabber. This fire claw features sturdy metal construction with a 3-pronged claw design that is perfect for picking up burning logs, picking up small coals, and managing your campfire safely. The 40-inch shaft ensures that your hands and body keep a safe distance from flames. With an ergonomic design and easy-to-operate heat-resistant handle, the Fire Claw Log Grabber is the perfect gift for anyone planning to stoke the campfire to perfection. Starting a campfire can be tricky, especially in cold or wet conditions. Level up your fire starting skills by using a Yuko Sweetfire Strikeable Fire Starter. This specialty fire starter doubles down as both a match and a tinder source for easy campfire lighting. Each Sweetfire starter is made of a renewable biofuel that burns for 7 minutes, allowing lots of time for your kindling to catch flame and start burning strong. The Sweetfire is such a reliable fire starting method that I don't carry a lighter or matches on a trip anymore. You can pick up a box of 20 Yuko Sweetfire Strikeable Fire Starters for around $12.
Our next product, the Pocket Bellows. Now this is a great product if you want to oxygenate your fire.
The Pocket Bellows are a cylindrical telescoping steel tube that allows you to deliver breath directly from your mouth to the base of the fire to really step up the game and oxygenate that fire. For around $15, you can't go wrong with a set of Pocket Bellows.
Splitting wood and creating kindling won't be a problem anymore with the Estwing Fireside Friend 4-pound maul. I was surprised to find this fire splitting maul beats a camp hatchet or camp axe every time. Because of the 4-pound splitting head, small logs and larger rounds are easily broken up into smaller pieces with hardly any need for physical force. The maul is constructed of forged steel, measures 14 inches in length, and has a shock-absorbing grip. Proudly made in the USA, this wood-splitting maul runs about $45. Sometimes there's jobs that just need a saw, and the Corona 10-inch razor tooth folding saw is ready to saw through logs up to 6 inches in diameter. This saw folds out and down using a lever lock and features a stainless steel blade that won't rust. The Corona 10-inch folding saw runs around $25. Ever wonder how you're supposed to pick the right tent? Click right over here to find out.